Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. Hey, I got some in the mail and I don't know if this is anything I've ordered. Alexa said everything that I ordered was already here. So, I gotta look at it first. Oh my gosh. This is my pajama shirt. Holy crap. Look at that. It's got Lou, Sammy, Terry, Baxter, and Callie. Look at that. Look at it! There's no dealie in it, but I hang on, because I'm going to text and see if this is who I think it's from. Just a minute. Okay, I messaged who I think it's from, but I'm not going to say who it is just in case. But look! Isn't that great? Pajama shirt. And I think that is so fun. There's my babies on it. It's my puppers. Oh, that's so great. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That is so fun. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, all right, let's get on to the food. But I'll update you when I hear back from the person, so that way we know. But if you're the person and you're watching this and I never get back to tell you who it was, you kept a good secret. Okay, let's get on with the food. Thank you. my babies. So I'll start with breakfast. I usually start with breakfast. Let's get our avocados going. And now today I'll use a little bit less of the guacamole and more. It was pretty potent. I'm telling you, this is why you keep a scale around, because you got to weigh things. As I found out with the fruit, y'all saw me. Alright. Whenever I got too much away from weighing things, we see what happens. So weigh your stuffs. Alright, this time I'm going to put it in my hand so I have a better idea how much I'm putting in. Yeah, that's a little bit more than what I probably should put in there. Alright, I'll put in that much. That's about a teaspoon and a half or 3. Okay, so we got our avocado. I'm going to crack in a couple eggs. I'm going to put my cheese in. I'm going to do the cheese. I'm going to zero it. And we're going to do some salsa. That was really, really tasty today. So it was 30 grams of salsa. It was definitely more liquid. It took longer to get it to cook up, but when it cooked up, it was great. Now I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. Now I get a lid, and you know everything works out great by morning. The avocado has typically defrosted enough, and the eggs, they're all just perfect by morning. So let's see. Let's put that in there just so that's kind of out of the way. And let's go on and fix our salad up. Let me pull my cucumbers out of the refrigerator. Okay. Now let's go on and get our pickled veggies on there. It's more than just cucumbers. I was saying last night, I was editing last night's video just now. And I said 60 grams. But I think I usually did like about 130, 140 grams of cucumbers. Now, obviously, this is cucumbers and onions. And I'm not going to be able to keep adding it to my salads. Eventually, I'm going to run out of this liquid, but it's just so yum. There we go. Just add that amount. All right, so now we're going to add our dressing. And I totally forgot seasonings, didn't I? That's all right. We'll get it after we do our dressing. If I do 60 grams, because my dressing is half dressing, half water. So if I do 60 grams, then that's only 30 grams of the actual product. So now we're going to add some Greek seasoning, a little bit of adobo, a little bit of everything bagel. Now, alright, so there's that. Now we have to look and see what exactly our meat options are. I did not do that yet. Look at how much easier that goes on when you weigh out your salad stuff. Goes on pretty decent there. Alright, what are our choices for tomorrow? We have ground beef or we have steak. Oh, let's take the steak. Ooh, and then let's put some barbecue sauce on it. Hold on. This is how it's going to go down. We are going to add some of our hickory smoked salt. And then we're going to add some hickory G. Hughes barbecue sauce. We're going to add, how many grams is a serving? 30 grams, maybe. All right, 30 grams here. Then I don't typically put barbecue sauce on my steaks, but we are tomorrow. All right, so now, and then I got to go grab an apple. Oh, and I forgot my coffee too. Hold on. Hey, girl. There we go. So I'll put my coffee on the side here. And then I'll put my steak in there. And my apple. And my breakfast. And my spoon. And there we go. I am ready to go tomorrow. So I will put this in the refrigerator and I'll meet you all here in the morning. And maybe by morning, we'll know who sent me that fun shirt. I'll update you when I find out. Hello, it's breakfast time. And I did find out who got me my shirt. And I'm wearing it to work because it's so cute. I'm showing everybody. It's Debbie Sue and her puppy dog, Happy Jack. That's who sent it. I was thinking that's who it was. And Debbie Sue's, just for you old, she's the pickle lady. She's the one that, you know, whenever you go back and my bread and butter pickles, if you go back and watch that recipe, she's the one that sent me that. So she's 2 thumbs up because we love her pickles too. But anyway, so she said that she has, whenever she goes to work, she has her YouTube playing for her puppy dog to listen to me all day. So anyway, so this shirt is from Debbie Sue and her sweet puppy dog, Happy Jack. So now breakfast is my avocado with my, what the heck, guacamole and more seasoning. And then my eggs. I think I've got it figured out about the right amount of temperature or time for the microwave. I did 2 minutes and then stirred it up and then 1 minute. So, except I did not add salt. I don't think I did last night either. Remember yesterday I said, oh, I didn't add salt. And sure enough, I had added salt, but I don't think I did last night. Although you will know because you just saw that part. I won't know because I've slept since then. All right. I smell that salsa. Let's see what we think. It's good. Now I just put it all in there. And it makes it a lot easier. I just put it all in and away we go. So there we go. That's my breakfast. I'll see you at lunchtime. Hello, it is lunchtime and it's time to eat. So I got my salad. You know, it's funny. I always eat my vegetables first. Like whenever I make a meal, I get nighttime or here, I just always eat my veggies first. I take a bite of my other, but then when it comes to eating, like just really actually eating it, I eat the vegetables and then I go back and finish the meat. Let me get a little bite here. I didn't tell y'all. So, I've been experiencing something for a long time, and probably since whenever I started keto. My mouth always feels, the only way I can describe it is inflamed. It's not painful. It's not, marked inside. It just almost feels like inflamed. And so okay, wait, let me back up. One of my friends told me a long time ago that whenever she was cutting my hair, she said that my breath smells bad, like dog poop bad. And I'm sure it's because it's meat heavy and ketosis. We know ketosis is bad breath. Anyway, and so after she told me that, I started chewing gum. And then whenever I went keto, I started, adding my squirty stuff. This stuff to my water. And when I was carnivore, I just drank plain water. But when I went keto and I started adding the squirty stuff to my breakfast, I was adding that stuff. And so I drink that, and I drink the flavored seltzer waters and stuff. And I think I've tried this in the past, but I'm wanting to see what happens. And this may go to the same place that Jim went to. I say I'm going to do it now, and later on I might be putting it in my water. However, in this moment, I'm going to try for a couple days to see if I don't use the squirty stuff and if I don't chew gum, if my mouth still has that inflamed feeling. It may have something to do with it. It may not. I may still have it and whatever. And if I do end up still having it, then I'll definitely go back to using it. But if it decreases or if it gets better, I'm going to have to rethink some things. But I just thought I'd tell you, because I tell you all the good, the bad, and the ugly. But yeah, so I am aware of that feeling in my mouth. And I just want to see if not chewing gum and not squirting my water stuff, and I'll probably also in the same time avoid the flavored drinks. Now, I'm still going to use my GU stuff. I'll still use my sweetener stuff that's in my food. Don't get it twisted. I'll still be using that stuff. I'm just curious, just a trial thing, to see if it's in relation to chewing the gum and then drinking the squirty stuff all the time. Because I do truly have gum in my mouth all the time. So I'm going to try it for a couple days and see what I think. See if I notice a difference. We'll see what happens. Again, I may change my mind in 30 minutes. But in this moment, at 11:10 on Tuesday, that's what I'm saying. So, okay. So by you see this on Thursday, Terry, editing, no, because I won't know by the end of the night. So I'll try to update you all along the way, but that's what I'm doing now. So, okay, bye. Arg, matey. I need a patch. So my chapter of the Red Hat ladies, we are called the Mississippi River Winches. So where I live, my town is right along the Mississippi River. And so that's what our name is. So pirates is our theme. So we all bought a bunch of these hats, or we each got, several of us bought some of these hats. It's one of those 3-corner hats, and got a little feather on it. So I'm gonna wear this tonight because I'm wearing my pirate sister shirt. I got a little picture of this little pirate fella. He's on here. And so, yeah, it's Red Hat ladies. Hang on, that's a little crooked. It's hard to drive with it on, so I'll probably have to take it off to drive. But it kind of looks like it's catawampus. But it's hard for me to tell because, yeah. I think that might be better. Yeah, that might be straight. Anyway, so yeah. So tonight for eating, we go out to eat, and it is a pizza place. And so what I usually get, I get a pizza bowl. It's I forgot what it's really called, but it's just a pizza bowl. And so what the heck do they call it? Pizza bake. They call it a pizza bake, and I usually get it with everything on it. So that's always what I get. So I'm going to get ready and head out so I can make sure we get a seat. But that's what I'll have for supper. I'll try to take a picture and show you guys. Okay, bye.
This is the one I found in the vintage store.
Oh, yeah.
But this is the vintage store.
I'm going to get the everything pizza bake and one trip salad bar. Here's the salad bar that that's what I build my salad from. There's my one trip salad. There's my everything pizza bake. It's delicious.
One for me, but I felt like an unflavored.
About half of it, but just showing you what it looks like inside. Okay, I'm full. I'm happy. It's a pizza bake and a one trip salad, and I was just kind of showing you all kind of what it looked like. So there we go. That's my day, and I'm going to start uploading this video. So then maybe it'll be done by the time I get home, and then I'll be able to edit it and then get ready for tomorrow. Bye.